Hi guys! In today's video I will tell you how to remove unwanted objects from video in Premiere Pro. So let's begin. Firstly, create a new project in Premiere Pro. Then add your video. This is the video, which I want to remove the laptop. Use this export frame button to take a screenshot of the video. After that, go to HitPaw's official website and have HitPaw Photo AI on your device. Also, the free download link input in the description. Now use the object removal feature. Import the screenshot image earlier. Select the laptop like this. You may also use the brush or eraser tool to better select the object. And click on Preview. Now the object is completely removed. Then click on the Export button and save the image. After that, go back to Premiere Pro again. Add the image to the overlay track. Extend the duration according to the length of the video. Next, click on the pen icon under the opacity settings. Draw a mask over the laptop. If you can't see the laptop, you can click on the eye button to hide the image. Then draw the mask. After drawing, click on the eye button again to reveal the track. Change the mask feather to around 50. And this is the result. The last step is save the video on your device. Okay guys. That's how to remove unwanted objects from video in Premiere Pro. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe for more contents like this. Thanks for watching.